Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back for the existing followers. Welcome to the new people. So, if it's the first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notification because I rarely go on exactly at the same time. So, you definitely want to make sure you activate notification. And as you coming in, please smash that goddamn like button. Um, all right, so it's the best way to get more people here and to help the most people as we can. So again, hopefully everybody's having a great beginning of the week. Here it's pretty good. I got an entry on GCAD with a very low risk, 0.5% risk. The reason why is I had a late entry, and I think that was good because ending up getting stopped, and we got one in 40-ish pips profit right now, which is full risk at 2%. Full risk at 3%, sorry. And this is on EuroCAD, sorry. So we're gonna go take a look at that. Meanwhile, if you have any question, guys, make sure to put that in the chat, and we'll go over those questions. And if you have any chart to review, send it over also. Let's see if we have any not question, but more comments before we get going. We got Krish, morning sensei. Hey, how you doing, Krish? Good morning. We got Bilal. Good morning. How are you, buddy? And Karen. Morning, morning, morning. Peter. Morning, Sasha. Hey, how are you doing, buddy? So hopefully everybody's doing great. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Only February 20th already. Holy shit. Um. Okay. So let's put this chart bigger. Boom. Let's put the this thing here. Perfect. Awesome. Donc, si vous avez des questions en français aussi, gênez-vous pas, ça va me faire plaisir. So, if anyone had question in French, that'll be my pleasure to help out also, and I'll translate in English. No problem. Okay, let's jump into it. So, this is GJ. Let's start with GJ because I mostly always start with GJ. This is it's been a while. I didn't took a trade on GJ though, but it's just like I think it's emotional thing. GJ was my pair for so long that GG has to be first on my list, just because it is what it is. Okay, so we're looking to weekly. Weekly is bullish. Um, we had a little pullback here, but that's about it. Nothing crazy. Daily's bullish. We retested this daily area of interest. Look like we might be able to create a new high, but the problem right now is oh, yeah, okay. So yeah, the problem right now is the 4 hour is bearish, so can't really can't really do shit with this. Um even scalp wise, look, it's just like it's in the let me get those tools over here. So it's just, kind of ranging here in that rectangle. Like it's not trending, just moving sideways. So yeah, not interested. So let's start with the loss here with this GCAD. So GCAD just barely got stopped too. That sucks. Like, god damn. Yeah, that really sucks actually. Did I respected my rules of 5 pips? I hope so. Not even. But even if I would have, like, I would have been stopped. The thing is, I technically usually use the top wick. If I use it the top wick, I would be fine, I think. The reason why is because the stub was, already big. God damn it. If I would have used the top wick, I would have been good. But hey, it is what it is. It was a late entry, so that's why I went 0.5%. So let me explain why I took that trade. Um, so very simple. The weekly time frame is bearish, and we had a pullback. The daily was bullish and flip bearish. Where's my arrow? Okay, here we go. So we had this boom, 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 and we finally had like price breaking down Missed this entry. First, this should be like an entry around here. Missed it. And after that, we add the official retest of that support. And we finally break a lower low. So waited for the pullback here to continue down. So let's go take a look on the 4 hour, how it looks like. So very simple. I mean, 4 hour went bullish, still bullish here, right? And then bearish here. So by breaking this low here, we flip bearish. We have the nice pullback, nice engulfing candle on H4. To be honest, you can take that trade based on that H4, put stop above that resistance and take it down, and you'll be fine. But I wasn't able to take that. It was at 1 a.m. in the morning, so I'm sleeping at that time. So what happened here on 1 hour? Sorry. Oh my god. So on 1 hour, we flipped bearish, and we got the tiny break retest here, and with a tiny engulfing candle, and this is where I got the entry. Okay, so yeah, it was a late entry, to be honest, because the good entry was right here, just for learning purposes. Oh, here we go. Okay. I know it wasn't bearish at the moment on H1, but if you look at 30-minute, it can be a more aggressive entry. It may be still going with 0.5 risk since H1 is not bearish yet. But if you look here, I mean, we went bearish by breaking this low. We got the pullback, and we have this nice engulfing candle. So the best entry was somewhere around here, put stop above it. It's a 20 pip stop loss, and you write it down, right? So yeah, I think this was the best thing. The second best thing would be wait for that. Um, I mean, not wait, but you have a second entry. Sorry, I was looking for my word. Man, this morning I'm looking for my words. So the second entry you could have is like here. You have another creating a new low. We got the break, the retest, nice engulfing candle. So you have two opportunity here to take the trade. I missed it completely. So it's part of the game. And yeah, so next time, just like, I don't know. The thing is, there's so many pairs that you can take entries. It was kind of dumb to actually force that one, but it really looked nice. But yeah, oh well, it's part of the game. So that's also why you need to do risk management. This is super, super duper ultra important. When you're getting into something and you're not so sure about it, just reduce your risk. If you want to if you really want to test it and see if it's going to play out, you can do a paper trade. But I prefer to do, when I have the chance, to go lower risk than just paper trade, because paper trade is just like, I mean, you're not making money, you're not losing money, so it's not the same emotion, right? It's not the same control of the trade. So that's why you really want to be involved in that trade. So I think the best way is just reduce risk, go something with, it can be 0.25% if you want, guys, just be involved in the market. Just, that's the best way to learn and take notes and experience it, right? All right, so now let's talk about this guy here, EuroCAD, which this one is at the 3% risk, which is my max risk. Let's go check it out, why I took that trade. And guys, time out. What's going on? I think the like button is defect or something, like, goddamn, click that like button, guys. Literally take 1 second. Like, let me do an example. You grab your mouse, you put your hand over the mouse, you slide it towards the like button, and you do like a little click. Yeah, this is me being stupid this morning. All right, guys. Perfect. Okay, so now let's explain why I took EuroCAD here. Very simple. So we got the weekly bullish. Okay, let me grab this out. Weekly is bullish. We create a new higher high, right? We know that most of the time when a new higher high is going to be created, it will have a pullback. So you got to wait for the pullback. So wait for the pullback, especially after this engulfing candle. Not engulfing, this bearish candle, sorry. So now we got the pullback. It took like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks. 13 weeks before we can get in that trade. Been watching this for 13 freaking weeks. So anyways, so you got the price coming down to this weekly area of interest, which is also this weekly golden zone, which is also the major QP right there. Last week we had something we discussed. I said, hey, if we have like a bullish doji, that'll be fine because it's going to be a good sign for price to continuing up. So if you guys were on the Forex stock over here, you knew that. Okay. So anyways, long story short, we have the price coming down here, ready for rejection. So now let's go check out the lower time frame. Not the lower time frame, but the daily time frame, which is not wrong. It's lower than weekly. Whatever. So here we got the daily. The daily was really messed up for a little while, right? So daily went over here, and there, and created a new low. And once we break above here, this become now trendy to the upside. And we got a nice daily engulfing also, which is beautiful. Okay. So now that we have the weekly bullish, the daily bullish, we already at a weekly area of interest. So now we need to wait for the 4-hour to flip bullish, which happened over here. So we have price doing this. This is not an elbow, so this is why it's going straight up. And we had price coming down over here, kind of a small double bottom ish, So waited to break the neckline, retest the neckline, and we'll go check the entry on the lower time frame. So now we got the 4-hour bullish, we got the pullback on the 4-hour, which is respecting the safety net also on the 4-hour. Here we go. Perfect. Look at this. Safety net is the green line. With respect to the safety net, this pullback happened around between the golden zone and the safety net, which is perfect. Now let's go check out the 1-hour time frame. So 1 hour was bullish from there to there. We have the pullback, and look at this. How magic is this? How magic is this? Right in that freaking H1 golden zone. Not making this up, guys. So now the entry was done. Was it on the 30-minute? Yeah. So on the 30-minute, price is bullish, right? So price is bullish from there to there, and we have that pullback. Obviously, it's doing this thing, but doesn't matter if it's moving down like this. Anything happening between that blue line and that blue line is just market structure. Okay. So we finally have, because I never really had an entry over here, Yes, of course, I had entry like over there. We had engulfing candle, but the pullback was really, really small. It can be a retest of this, but this is bullshit. Like I said, it's not an elbow. So really waited for the pullback inside that H4 golden zone. And after I waited for that nice engulfing candle, which is 9:30 also, which is, we know at that time there's volume. Here it's 5 a.m. in the morning, so maybe it was a possibility to take that entry. So if any of you grab that one, it's not a bad entry. I was just not awake. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, took the entry right here on that engulfing candle, put stop under that structure, 5 pips under that structure, and write it up. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's go see if we have any questions here, because I think this one is pretty not really, yeah, simple, but also this is exactly what you want to look for. This is exactly what you want to look for. So now we're just creating a new high. So yeah, of course, price might come down a little bit to have a pullback and eventually continue to the upside, right? So TP is going to be, this is not my official TPs right now. I think these things have a lot of room. Am I going to hold up to over here? Probably not. Probably not. That would be insane though. That would be like, That would be 6.32 to 1. Not bad. Not bad. But technically, oops, where am I going? Technically, if you're taking this based out of the weekly area of interest, you should go to that next resistance, right? Which is here, because you know that you might not mine, but there's a big probability that you're going to create a new higher high. So technically, you should at least get to that resistance, which is going to be a 17 to 1, like almost an 18 to 1, which, again, guys, I don't think I'm going to hold up to there. I never did something like that. Not my style. Maybe I can close some partials and let some run. I don't know. Where is that thing? Okay, perfect. Okay. So now, where is gonna be my? I think like I'm gonna have to check. We need to make sure we break this here. We need to make sure that this daily candle close above here. You know, especially this four H4 candle. We need to stay above. You know, so that'll be great. Of course, I'm gonna looking for a minimum 3 to 1. But I don't have any specific area here. I know for a fact that here to the left, look at all that noise. If you were on the live stream on Forex Talk Revere, as you remember, I said look left, right? This is a pretty good indication here to the left side. If you look on the daily time frame, where's my arrow here? So if you look here, look at all those rejection. Do we have a major QP there? Hold on, let me check. Do we have a major QP here? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, so no major QP. Yeah. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't right now I'm planning on holding at least for 3 to 1. So that'll be like somewhere around here. And we'll see. We shall see. I didn't decide yet, which is super rare because technically, when I enter a trade, I usually I know where to exit because I keep saying it's stupid to get into a trade without a plan. This one, I have to say, I entered pretty quickly, and I didn't draw everything like I wanted to when I got in. So I pled guilty on that one. So it was a little bit stupid. But I know for worst case, I'm gonna go for the next QP, which is this one here. Where is it? Let me show it to you. Where are you? Which is right here. You know, the 46,000. So this is exactly where is my TP, just under it. And the reason why it's because I want to make sure it hit. Because once we broke that 45, look here. Okay, just want to show you something. So once you broke, um, when you broke above that 45, we retested, and now there's a big. When we retest the major QP, there's a huge probability for the price going to visit the next major QP. Okay, so this is probably where it's going to be my TP. I think you know what I'm going to close 90% there and let the rest run. That's what I'm going to do. Here's the plan. So let's see if we have any question. Guys, smash that goddamn like button. Um, let's go see some questions. Where's my screen? What's going on here? The fuck? There we go. Sorry, guys. My computer was frozen for 1 sec. We'll be right back in 10. I had to go somewhere. Damn, Krish, what's up with that, man? Why are you leaving me? Man, this is so sad. GG didn't make new higher high on H4, so it's still bullish. Let's go check. GJ. GJ. Oh, GJ. Not really, Krish. So if you look here, so there we go. So whoops, let me grab this freaking arrow here. So here, so god damn. So we have this new higher high here, you know, pull back, higher high here, pull back, higher high there, you know, and we did break and close under this support. So now we're bearish. Hopefully that clarified the situation here. Because yes, you do have an elbow here, you know. All right, makes sense. Okay, so hopefully that's clear now. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's see here. What else? I think we had another question. My mouse is just playing me tricks right now. Okay. So, Krish. EC rejecting daily area of interest. There's an area of interest above something to look left. Yes. Yeah, that's the one I showed to the left. There we go. Good boy, Krish. Good boy. Joking. Could you look at USD CAD, Sasha? Sure. Let's go take a look at you. But first, we're gonna do NZD USD. So NZD USD, man, I've been waiting for a while also. So look at this. So weekly is bullish, right? So creating a higher high here, wait for the pullback inside that weekly golden zone, which is also an area of interest on the weekly time frame, which is also a major QP at 60,000. So yeah, everything was perfect. And look at this. We got a solid, nice weekly engulfing candle, everything looking nice. But the daily was bearish for a while, so we were bearish. And once we broke over here, we became bullish. So I was like, all right, awesome. Let's wait for the pullback. So waited for 3 days for pullback to eventually continue to the upside, which is also like kind of a double bottom-ish. But I didn't have any entries possible for myself anyways in this area, so it kind of sucks. Maybe there's something I didn't see. Actually, let's double check just for learning purposes. So price went down here. We were bearish, still bearish, boom, bullish. Here, this might be an entry. When was that? This is Thursday last week. So we're gonna identify that here and go on a lower time frame and see if there's any entry. So that's possible entry number one, which is also on the pullback on an H4, which is kind of good. So now let's see if there's anything else. So after that, price was still bullish. Yep, still bullish, and now bearish. Okay, so now bearish, still bullish, still bearish. I mean, sorry guys. And here you see, this is why I had this arrow here. So now H4 flipped bullish for the second time. I wanted to wait for the pullback here to take this entry to the upside. Okay, so that was the main goal. Okay, so but this never happened. We had like a tiny pullback, so I didn't took it. Let's go check this purple arrow circle if we had any entry in here. No engulfing. 30-minute. Yep, right here. So that one would have been nice. Yeah, that one would have been nice. Right there. So I missed it. When was that? Oops. The other side session. The other side. When was that? That was Thursday, 11:30. Oh, I think I was on the road. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, long story short, I didn't see it. So, but it's good to always revisit those trades and see like where did I miss, and next time you want to make sure you don't miss it. Okay, so now let's go see where we at now. So where are we at? Or if you look at the daily now, we're creating a new higher high, which is great. You look at this like straight bullish. So now I think we're gonna need to either go up, retest this area, or a little deeper pullback inside that golden zone to continue to the upside. One of the other. 4 hour, same thing. So now we're creating new higher high. So let's update those lines. There we go. Perfect. 1 hour. There we go. Actually, here. Perfect. 30-minute. Gonna update those. There we go. Perfect. So just gotta be careful. I'm not careful, but I mean patient with NZD/USD, but it's still looking great. So great trade idea. Yeah. All right. So here, let's go see if we have any question here before we jump into. Actually, let's jump into GN right now, and we'll go see questions after. So looking at GN right now, look at this. So okay, so we have now, weekly bullish. Wait for the pullback to continue to the upside. So that's a main goal. Now, if you look at the daily area of interest is right there. Now we broke it. So where would be the second area of interest? That's probably, that would be like by this time it's like probably the third or the fourth area of interest. So I guess at this stage it's kind of bye bye. But I was actually waiting for worst case scenario to an entry like around this area, right? Because it would be also, if I'm not wrong, that would be also around that golden zone or safety net, right on it. So yeah, so that was the ultimate goal. Hold on, wait a second. Sorry guys, give me one sec here. Sorry, I had to fix something by message. Sorry guys. And I think I hear my wife leaving, so give me one sec. Aha! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's continue. Okay, so now where are we at? Okay, sorry guys. So GN. So now GN is, I mean, now at this stage it doesn't look good because you see this alert. I was literally waiting for H4 to come back bullish to take that trade, but this never happened. So now we just created new, lower low. here on H4. So this is, we're going to delete that. Boom. So GN is bye bye now. Yeah. Sayonara, bye bye, whatever. I mean, if this daily stay above, there might be a chance once H4 flip back bullish, but doesn't really look good right now. So, okay, so let's go see some questions. Um, okay. USD CAD, yeah, we're gonna go take a look at it right after. Sorry. Has gone opposite. NU getting ready. Yep. Um, guys, I might have to rush into this. So, Krish, yeah, I'm gonna have to rush into this because I didn't realize, but I had a meeting, like an early meeting, so I'm gonna have to go pretty soon, guys. So we're just gonna do this quick first. Sorry, Krish. Send it to me on my DM, and we'll take a look at it. Okay. Um, hey, what's your win rate and average RR? I mean, you can go check the all the streams. I don't really calculate my win rate, to be honest. Like it's been a while, like I didn't look at it, but I know for a fact that I had one student actually went over all my journals and actually did the calculation of the win rate. And back then scalping was like, I think it was like something like, I don't want to say anything stupid, but I think it was like something like 87, I think. On was it, I don't want to say anything stupid. I'm not sure. To be honest. Like I think it was that high 80 if I'm not wrong. But whatever. Swing trade, I don't even know, to be honest. Like the only thing I know is I'm positive, so I'm happy with that. And most of the time RR wise, I look at minimum like 3, sometimes 2.5, Of course minimum 2.5, most of the time 3 to 1. Okay. So yeah, but yeah, you can go check all my stories and check. I post my pip count. Actually, I can show it to you now. I don't know if it's gonna be. Is the camera reach over there? No, I don't think it's reach. But whatever. I'll post my pip count right now. And yeah, you can find out pretty much easy, I think. Here, like the stream, guys. Let's fucking go. Thank you. Not a question. So it's okay, Sensei. Just what I was waiting for. Okay. By the way, is everything already? What? Not a question. By the way, is everything already? I'm not sure what you mean. Do you swing or scalp? Now these days, I mostly swing intraday, swing slash intraday. I do a little bit of scalping still on GJ. It just depends on the market, but most of the time now these days I mostly swing and intraday because it fits more my lifestyle. Got to spend less time on the chart basically. My pleasure. All right. Oh, everything's all right. Yeah, everything's all right. Just got to rush into a meeting. So let's see. Okay, let's do USD CAD because somebody asked about it. Where is it? USD CAD, USD CAD. Here we go. Let's go check USD CAD. Weekly. All right, so let's start with the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is okay. We might be good then. I'm gonna move the meeting at 4:30. Okay, we're good. But still, okay. So let's take a look at USD CAD. So USD CAD is bullish, right? The thing is I don't like about USD CAD right now is look at this. It's been bullish since like October 2022. And since then, it's just like freaking ranging. Ugh. Like I'm not interested. I'm just like fuck it, this doesn't look nice at all. Like why you want to be involved in this? Like look at the daily. I mean, daily is mostly like look at this. Look, put that on a small perspective. You're moving freaking sideways. You're not trending, right? So, I mean, it's always harder to trade moving sideways than trending, right? So now, I mean, if you look, you need to wait for, we see the weekly is bullish. So now, once the daily is going to flip back bullish, that's going to be interesting, you know? So we might have price going like this, and find break above here, retest this to continue the upside. Now might be started looking at it, but until then, not really interested, to be honest. I mean, the 4 hour right now is like you got no time frame in sync basically right now. Okay, so look, let's update this line. 4 hour high. Oops, wrong line. Here we go. There we go. Right, perfect. So here you got the 4 hour bullish. We have the daily bearish, and we have the weekly bullish. So I mean, it's just like nothing is working out right now. Nothing in sync really. Um, and this is bullish. Yep. So let me just modify that. There we go. And actually, hold on. Wait a second. This created a new high here. So actually, we are bearish. Sorry, guys. H1 lower low here. So we got H1 bearish, 4 hour bullish, daily bearish, and weekly bullish. Yeah, nothing's working out right now. Nothing's working out. The only thing that might be interesting, okay, it's maybe for a day trade, not a swing. For a day trade, once we see price rejecting this major QP right here, which is also an area of interest, to continue to downside as a day trade, because the weekly is bullish, yeah, so forget about it. But the daily, if the dailies start coming down again, it might be interesting because we're retesting that major QP. But to be honest, not a play for me. There's so many pairs. There are so many pairs that are trending. Why risking something into this? Plus, USD CAD is probably one of the, that and Euro USD are probably one of the worst pairs. There are two majors. So many news can impact this shit. I mean, yeah, just not really. If it's trending nice, yeah, fine. But if I have the choice between any other pair and any pair involved with the USD, I'll take the other one. You know, like I'm trying to like if a USD pair looks nice, I'm down. But USD is just like so fucking imprevisible. Like sometimes with news, it's just like bleh. So anyways, hopefully that answered the question. Let's see if we have anything else here. Boom. What's your thought on AD and ZD? Okay. Are you still interested in GBP now that's having a pullback again? Maybe. Yeah, we'll go take a look again. Okay, so let's go check AD and ZD. It's always scary when I don't see them at the top. Like what AD and ZD, AD and ZD, AD and ZD. I don't even think I have AD and ZD out there. Yeah, that tells you a lot. AD and ZD. Yeah, I don't see it. Mm-mm-mm-mm. AUD and ZD. Let's take a look. So, let's start from scratch here. So let's put this smaller so we can have a bigger picture. So basically, okay. So boom, 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 boom. Okay, so bearish from there to there. Okay. So let's do this. So we are weekly lower high. Oops, what the fuck? and weekly low. So once again, who's that? Hyper. So once again, you are looking at a pair that's ranging. Like why? Like I don't get it. Is that because I don't know, NZD interest you or USD interest? Like I don't. Is that like the two only pair that you're looking at? I'm just curious. Just curious to find out like why you are interested in that pair. Because right now it's not even work. Look like for me, like I'm not saying that there's nothing you can do out there, but for me it's just like doesn't make sense. I mean, look at this thing. You're just like I don't know. Like plus we're getting so close to that support. We're getting close to that support. I don't know. Just, there's not much. Like if you want a day trade, maybe like the entry was probably like somewhere around here in that golden zone. Like as a day trade, right here, you see, as a day trade that makes sense, but it's too late now. But it made sense over there as a day trade again. So that's the daily golden zone. So that pullback going to be around here. So now you go on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame had to go bullish for sure. To actually hold on from there to there. Yeah, no really pullback here. So yeah, sorry. So this is not bearish. This is bullish. So boom. Oops. God damn. Here we go. So we had the pullback here. I think the first entry on the 4 hour time frame was like kind of right here. Second entry is right here. So now if you go down to the lower time frame, the 1 hour had to go bullish for sure to eventually go up to that zone. So now that we know that, you just gotta wait for the lower time frame to switch bearish. So you see we're creating higher high, high low, and now we flip bearish. So now we gotta find out on the 30 minutes, somewhere around here, if we have an engulfing candle. Let's go check. Right here, you see? So that was your entry on the 80 NZD, put stop above that structure. So it's going to be at like 17, so 18 plus 5, so that's 23. So 23 pips. So that will be it. And you write it down and that. So as a day trade, it makes sense, not as a swing, because you add the 4 hour bearish and the daily bearish, So at least you had on this one, at least you had 2 time frame in sync. Okay. On the other one, you had no time frame in sync. Okay. So this one would be like almost a 2.5 to 1, which is the minimum. Actually, it would have hit the 2.5, I think, somewhere around here. Ooh, that was really close. But yeah, so get the idea. Let me see. Here. Are you interested? Okay, so that we're gonna go check a look. So, is it now possible to look at my chart right now? By the way, that clip from last F2AB is still making me laugh. Man, yeah, well, I'll go check it to your chart. What time is it? Yeah, I got like another couple minutes. We'll remember to check left. Yeah, man, you gotta check left. You gotta check left. What's going on, dude? You just don't cross the highway or the major road without checking left, right? No, I traded set and forget as well, but W just broke trend line and DM is trending and D is trending. Trend line, I just stay away from. I personally stay the fuck away from trend lines. Trend line is so like. There's people's gonna put the trend line this way, this way, this way. There's so many ways. That's why I just like trend line for me is just like you know like I don't really look at trend lines. I mean, you're supposed to be like, and again, this is not me being harsh, right? It's just like when you look at this, you know if it's trending or not. Don't need a fucking trend line. So again, like if you use a trend line, you say, okay, from this point to this point, okay, so this is the trend line, okay. Oh shit, so what happened here? Okay, so it was broken the trend line, so I should take the trade, right? So I don't know. It's just like there's so many ways, to put trend lines, and now okay, you put it to the wick, to the body, to I don't know. It's just it varies so much. So I just prefer to look like at higher high, higher lows, and that's it, right? But yeah. So once again, it made sense over here. The trade made total sense over there. After that, I think it's too late now. It's just like it's kind of too late. You're getting to that support now. You're like what? How many pips away? You're probably like you're 15 pips away now from that daily support. So which there's a huge chance there's rejection out there. It might continue down to create a lower low, but why putting yourself at risk? The trade is right there, the trade is right up here, not down here, right? So now it's too late, but it was a good idea up here, you know. So hopefully that was a good learning. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Questions? Let's go. Um let's go see here. Thanks. I see you look for SOS on H1 and then golf on 30 minute. Yes. Why is that you flip SOS? What? Why is that you flip set and forget SOS and then golf? Such love, by the way. Much love, by the way. Thank you. Thanks. Hold on. Wait a second. I just want to make sure I understand the question correctly. Thanks. I see you look for SOS on H1 and then golf on 30. Why is that you flip? I'm not sure I'm getting your question. I per why I flip. I look for SOS on H1, or most of the time I want to make sure that all my time frames are in sync, right? And want the SOS happen on H1 or 30 minute. I'm gonna look for the best entry possible. I can look for an engulfing on H1. I can look on a 2 hour or 30 minutes. It's just like where it's gonna get me the best entry possible. SOS on set and forget 30 minute, and then golf is H1. Or it all depends, just like it all depends. At the end of the day, you got to use what's working for you. It's like the golden zone. I personally use the golden zone on Fib. Set and forget use the what do you call this thing? The EMA. It's like, I never used the EMA. The first thing when we did the boot camp with Alex, I was like, I'll raise my hand to Alex, and I've been trading for like now I've been trading for like six shit, man, time flies, 6 7, I can't remember, but I never looked at EMAs, and I was playing dumb. I was like, what the fuck is an EMA, as a joke, but yeah, so I mean, you gotta adapt, like Alex said also, and I've been always saying that since the beginning, even before meeting Alex, and I said, when you learn something, it's great to apply it exactly like it is, because you need to test it and see if it works. But after that, you can like implement stuff that works for you. You can. It's like taking a recipe and just like I think it's too spicy for me, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this, and this makes the perfect meal for you. So for me, the way I do it is the perfect way I personally like it, and it's been working for me and having success and being profitable with. So again, I've been learning from different mentors. So I took a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this from this person, this person, this person, this person, put all those ingredients together in a bowl, mix it, boom, did my own salad kind of thing, right? So, but it really looks mostly like set and forget, but just like little different things, there and there. Thanks, man. Have you seen more consistency with looking for SOS on H1 instead of 30 minute? Well, put it this way: the higher the time frame, the more I'm just looking for more, not more confirmation, but a stronger confirmation it is. So basically, if you look at break of structure on H1, it's going to be more solid and more as an indication than the 30 minute. Same thing. The 30 minute is going to be a stronger confirmation than the 15 minute. And the 15 minute is going to be a stronger confirmation than the 5 minute. So the higher the time frame, the better, the stronger is a confirmation. I don't know if that makes sense in English, but it kind of made sense in my head. But hopefully that makes sense, guys. But again, I'm not only looking at SOS on H1, or 30 minutes. I just look where it can be the best entry possible. Most of the time, I want to make sure that SOS happen for sure on H4. So I got at least H4 and daily in sync if I do a daily trade. But if I'm doing a swing, I want my H4, my daily, and my weekly in sync, right? And after that, I'm gonna go look on the break of structure on H1 or 30 minutes. But I really like the H1s because it's stronger confirmation, obviously. But yeah, that's what it is. And again, you got to test it yourself, and see, okay, man, when I'm using it on the 1 hour, I'm getting more losses. When I'm on 30 minutes, I'm getting more wins. So you got to journal your trades. You're going to journal your trades to be able to have that data and do the analysis and say, hey, this makes sense. This with this, I'm making wins, right? So I used to journal all my freaking trades, and not like, let me show you something. I don't know if it's still up there, but because I don't use it anymore. But oh, what? Well, that's what the hell. Show details. You can visit this website. Yes. Oh, here we go. Can I log in? So this is a journal you can use. Now these days, I'm doing my journal on YouTube on Forex Talk Over Beer. So basically, when I go review my trade, I just go watch an episode of Forex Talk Over Beer, and I know what's work, what doesn't work. But I used to journal all my trades. Where can I log in, Trixie? Can I log in? Go to app. There's an app now? What? Hold on. Where can I? Why journal future? Am I crazy, guys? Like, should I be able to pricing? I just want to log in. Hey, this is me. Look at this. Ask all the best traders out there if the journal trade. How important in this journaling is it? Damn, I didn't even know that. That's an old episode, guys. Wow. Where's the sound? There's no sound? So you can see this is not look at my Montreal Canadian jerseys. When I started to journal the right way. Because I was journaling but on an Excel spreadsheet and was trying to take screenshot, but it was kind of listen to this. You see all those trades? Journal. You see all those labels? You see all the works is being put in there? And this. Look at this. And we were jammed, I think, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, something like that. So now they added more lines. So this is a little upgrade here, but this is a pretty good upgrade for me. So this is cool. The other thing also, we were stuck with only. You see? So anyways, I'm explaining the thing here, but I'm not sure if it's working anymore, so I'm going to have to go investigate on this. Dude, that's been a while. Look at this, 2021. Look at all those journal trades, Actually lost that trade. But the next, the Asian set. Man, I'm blown away. Oh yeah, that's fine. Thanks, Gabriel. Wow, that's fun. Okay, sorry guys, I got distracted for 1 second. So anyways, so I've been journaling a lot, and that's the only way you're gonna be able to find out, like, if is the SOS on H1's better for me? Am I getting more wins? But if you're not taking notes of that, or you're not journaling, you're never gonna find out. It's like, yeah, I think that I'm getting more wins that way. No, it's not gonna do it, guys. And put the extra work. Like, why, guys? I'm really willing to help. Okay, really willing to help. But when you send me questions on Discord or Instagram, and you saying, hey man, what do you think about AUD CAD? Where do you think I should put my stop loss or my TP or whatever? Guys, send me your chart with your chart work. Like, Krish, can you send me a chart that you did? I just want to show an example. Oh, actually, you did send a chart, if I'm not wrong. I want to show an example to people, like how a chart should be done. More the clean time frame is more high probability to set up is a high. Yeah, doesn't matter for SOS, which is cleaner matter the most. Exactly, Krish. Good answer. Um, I've gone through some of your journal, and that inspired me to journal in the way in which I'm journaling my trade right now. You know how I journal that I got from you. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you. Is the link still working to my journal? I don't even know. Like, whatever. Um, but Chris, let me find your chart. Where is it? Oh, right here. Can I highlight this? No. There we go. Okay, so let me open up a new one here. Um, Copy link. All right, so let me show you something here. Hmm. There we go. Okay, so here, well, it's not his best chart. I guess you were only wanted to see if, yeah, okay. But technically, you want to put, yeah, all your annotation. This is clearly not your best one as an example. But for people that's been following for a while, like usually you'll see all those labels and everything. But it's okay. So now, because that one, I think you only wanted to see GP that's gonna opposite. Yeah, my chart. Okay, so I think that was only wanted to see what you or to show what you're waiting for, if I'm correct. So nice double bottom here, waiting for the break and retest. Can you send me one of the other chart that you did with labels with, like that you usually do? I just want to show that example. That'll be great. Um, yeah, that chart is what I'm waiting for. Yeah, I just saw a comment. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's go check this one out. Let's go check this one out. There we go. Now this is what I'm talking about. Okay. See the work here? Like, Chris is no lazy. Like, he's not lazy. Dude, like it doesn't seem like it, but I'm telling you, dude, guys, it take times to do this because you go over a trade. But this is the best freaking way to remember, learn, not do twice the same stupid mistake. So yeah, this is the best way to remember and learn. I think if Trixie is still working, I think I'm gonna start doing it again just to give you some example, guys. Um, but yeah, so this is really great, really really great, awesome. So hopefully that makes sense. And yeah, that was perfect. What you were waiting for, Krish. So that's good. Any other question? Let's see. By the way, I think I have a race that we can go check, guys. Just let's see. Like, I'm gonna wait, see if there's question. But meanwhile, I kind of want to go to see my race right now. Because if people don't know, I built a stable on a photo finish, which is this thing is making money. Like, it's crazy. Got a couple horses now that made like way over 2K profits. Sold a horse a couple days ago for 5K. Actually 4K, sorry. So yeah, it's pretty good. And like there's a race right now I didn't see yet. So this race happened this morning. I didn't look at it yet, so we're gonna look at it together. Let's see. My horse is right here, number 3. By the way, guys, you can both finish live and I'll get a referral code if it's new. They didn't add any referral code before, but if you want to do it, all right, let's go, baby. Let's go, Drizzle. Okay, we're behind the pack right now. So number three is behind the pack. That's not good. Race, let's go. All right, Bristol Duke still in the middle of the pack. I'm gonna put the referral code in the chat. So you can go register on photofinish.live for free, and they're gonna give you a trainer horse so you can practice. Eventually, you can go on the market, buy a horse, and blah blah blah, breed them, make babies. I started with like two horses up to 47. Let's go, Drizzle Duke. Let's go, baby. So Nightman Comet is actually Drizzle Duke's cousin, the first one. All right, we're in third position right now. This is exciting. This is exciting. Are we gonna see a win live? Are we gonna see a win live? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah, this is no Forex, but it's just exciting. Let's go. Oh, we're pushing hard. This is we're getting close to the end now. So it's a 12 furlong distance. We're crossing now the 7th furlong. So the finish line is like right here. So we still have a little bit to go. We're backing up now. It's not good. Number four is getting close. I should comment this as a race horse track commentary. Like, oh, the number three getting close to number two, and number two is going up. All right, so number three, Little Duke. All right, stretching the distance between with the number two, trying to catch the cousin here. Trying to catch the cousin. Drizzle Duke's favorite distance is 10, so 12 is a little long for him. Oh, he's pushing hard at the end. Holy, we're going, we're going, we're going. Oh, we're getting close. Come on, come on. Oh, we're gonna be short. We're gonna be short. Oh, all right. Second place, we'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. So this was like for what? Like not even a minute, I think. How much we made? So on this one, we made 5K Derby. Okay, let's go see. Let's go see here. There's a sound. Let's go see the source. Ledger. So this oars made 5K. Okay, so 5K. So $1 equal 80 derby. So 5,152 divided by 80. So that's 64 plus we also received a racing incentive here of $16.89. So plus 16.89. So just made $81 USD right now, like just in just a minute or so. And I have like many horses that do that like at least once a day. So it's kind of fun. And again, this is no financial advice. Obviously, do your own research. This is just like yeah. So this is if you want to see my stable here. So this is all my horses. I got some babies. I got some retired. I got some racing one. But yeah, it's fun. Anyways, let's go back to trading. Sorry, guys, got distracted. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Sasha. Please don't forget to take another look again at GC. I think it might give us another opportunity to enter. Let's go check it out. Perfect. Let's put the screen bigger. Whoa. Whoa! Holy! Eurocat is like what the fuck happened to Eurocat? It's at like 90 pips. It was like at 40. Hold on, wait a second. Holy! Thank God I didn't put my TP there. We fucking smashed that TP. Holy! What? Wow, this is amazing. Amazing. Okay, okay. Wait a second here. Fucking smash that TP, but I didn't put my TP line there. That was the goal to what? Okay. I guess it was news. But yeah, we smashed it good. You know what? Most of the time, news will be corrected. So I'm actually gonna put stop at break even. So I'm gonna use my magic key. So I'm gonna put stop at break even. So SL at entry. You should hear the sound. Let me make sure the sound is up here. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna put stop at break even. There we go. Plus, I'm gonna secure probably like what I'll do is I secure 50% here. So I'm gonna click on close half. You know, so it's gonna do this. Bam, close half. And what I'll do is I'll put my TP to this line. So worst case, it's gonna hit my 321, and best case, we're just gonna keep going higher. You know, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I don't know how to do it. I don't think we can do it with Magic Key though. Whatever. So I'm actually gonna place an alert. That's what I'm gonna do. There we go. And I'll go close. Actually, I think yeah, I can put my stop loss there. So, but whatever. Man, this thing is rocking right now. This thing is rocking. Okay, so let's look left to see what can happen here. I think the other alert will be here. So that's only 4 hour. Daily. What about daily? Daily is far, far, far. Yeah, okay, we're good. Okay, so what about GCAD? GCAD, oh shit, yeah, no. Not happening, I guess, now these days. CAD CPI, yeah. So I guess GCAD is I don't know. 4 hour. 4 hours now. But if this goes above 4 hours, going to be flipping bullish. So I guess it's a no-go. So yeah. So like I explained, if you weren't there at the beginning of the stream, this was a minimal risk at 0.5% risk. We broke it down and explained it, so now I can remove it. And yeah, that's about it. Actually, I'm gonna leave it there. Maybe for Stock Over Beer, I might do a little quick overview. Yo, this thing is rocking right now. 96 pips, baby. Let's go. And we are live, baby. So I just took a picture of the my computer right here so you can see 96 pips, 96.6. There we go. So yes, we are live. 97. Yo. Now these days, since I'm swinging in intraday, it's rare to actually have trades once I'm live. But back then, I was always trading live, taking trades with people live. When I have the opportunity, I still do it. It's just like it's really rare that it actually happened on Tuesday morning. Like it's either I'm already in the trade or getting in the trade. But yeah. Commentary, yeah. Okay, so EuroCAD's at 97.6 pips. So we're going to 98, 98.7, 98.5, and we're going to 98. So going to 97.9. We're going to 99.6. Can we touch 100? Can we see 100? Can we see 100? We are 92.2 pips. So can we see 100? Oh, 100 one time. 99.3. Can we see 100? Come on, guys. 100 pips. Come on, 99.9. Oh, I see 99.3, 99.2, 99.9. We're going back to 98, 92, 98, 99. God damn, this is exhausting. Like, I don't even know how those. Oh, 99.5, 99.5. Can we see 100? 99.6. Oh, can we see 100? 100, one time, 100, two time, 100, three time. Can we see 100? Like, I'm having fun right now. I want to grab a picture of that 99.5, 99.6 was the highest so far. So can we see hundreds? Like we're missing 0.4 pips. Come on, bye. Come on. Just a little like a little tap. Tap with me, guys. Tap with me. Tap EuroCAD with me. It will work. Come on. 98.9. Can we see 100? Can we see 100? Ladies and gentlemen, can we see 99.5? We're back to 99.5. This is the higher high, 99.6. Oh, 99.6 is the highest. Can we see 100? Just for the fun of it. We're getting so close. Yeah, for the fun of it, I think I'm going to be... Oh, 100.6. Let's go. 101. Yeah, I'm getting excited here. 102. Let's go. Oh, man, I'm such a kid sometimes. So, yeah. Here. Ankara Messi, by the way. That was got to be. Yeah. I knew there was CPI. I just didn't really care because I don't really look at news, to be honest. If I'm already in the trade, I just don't care. It's either like I'm getting stop or I'm getting TP or whatever. 105. Let's go. Let's go, baby. That's good. I'm going to close another half here. And another half here. So I'm leaving a small runner. Yeah, I'm happy with this. The numbers that I saw, and I'm way above 3 to 1. So this is where I exited. So this is like a 4 to like a little bit more than 4 to a little bit more than 4 to 1. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, pretty happy. So most of the trade is closed right now, just leaving a tiny small runner just to see where can we take it. Where can we take it? No, is that the song? I don't know. Whatever. All right. What time is it? 8:51. Okay. I was waiting for GC to break that 4-hour support. Good for me. I didn't took short. Yeah. All right, guys. So once again, this was fun. We reached 110 pips. And I think it was a solid win. Guys, if you are in the trade, please send it to my DM on Instagram. I will reshare it. There's no reason why people on Forex Talk Over Beer was not in that trade because we broke it down. This was a trade idea that was shared to you guys on Thursday or Tuesday. I can't remember, but it was shared live. So make sure to share it if you were in. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you Thursday night at Forex Talk Over Beer. Peace out. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Take care, guys.